Doing a quick video here for a TV antenna that stopped rotating and our little red light doesn't work. So I'm gonna change that, and some of the channels weren't coming in, so I'm gonna look into that. And that, I think, is because of the area, because other people with antennas aren't getting these channels either. But I did take this apart. This is the motor driver that goes right here, and it spins the antenna when you hit the button. But I took this apart, and I was looking at this circuit board right here, and I'll show you a close-up picture. But the center pin that goes in the wire here goes to right there where my thumb's pointing, and that's not even soldered in anymore. And that one right there is not soldered in anymore, and that goes to this black cable. This black cable actually connects right here and gives the power to this right here. So this LED might be good if I fix that bad connection on there. Unfortunately, I forgot to get the power supply for this thing, but we'll take this apart and test this LED at least to make sure it's good. Oh, this is what it looks like on the inside. A couple more little antenna looking things. Some corrosion, really bad rusted contacts on here. And those there actually connect to these here with long screws that go all the way through. So those are a little bit rusted too. The circuit board has some rusted spots on it. It's not too bad though, you can see. It's not bad at all. But if I can get this out, actually I'll take that out because I gotta undo these screws here to release this, and then I'll show you what the other side looks like. All right, I got these two wires off. Now we can see what the other side looks like. That's the other side. And I took a peek before, and if you see it, good for you. But look at that. That's why that LED doesn't work. One of the legs broke right off the LED. Just rusted right away. It's all corroded. So I guess that's why that's not working. The LED probably still works, maybe. But yeah, we're gonna have to put a new one in there. But there isn't much to this board. But yeah, I'll just clean it up with some isopropyl alcohol, and that should be good. And then I'll try to clean these contacts up here so everything's grounded together good, because those screws do go to the board. Let's see. Yeah, I guess they are going somewhere. They're going right here to this component. So all right, got this thing put back together partly. Cleaned up these contacts a little bit, resoldered these connections here, put in a new LED. I only had a 3mm red for some reason, so I put that in there for now, and then I'm going to put some silicone or something around the hole, help keep out the water and stuff. I'm going to finish putting this back together and then try it out. All right, all together. Let's go hook it up and see if it works. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try it out. We can see our LED is working now, so that's good. And I'm gonna push the button on this remote right here, and that's gonna turn it or not. There we go. Look at that. Beautiful. So if your antenna is not turning, you might have to get in there and check those solder joints on there. And as of the TV, we got TV. So there we go. We'll see you in the next one.